Hi y'all, I'm Ashton. In 2020, I was newly single and furloughed from my big city job, so I left Houston in the middle of a pandemic in search of a fresh beginning. I started by sailing from Texas to the US Virgin Islands, made some new friends, and got a great tan. Then I took myself on a solo road trip to see as many epic views as I could find in 4 weeks. Join me for season 2 with all new experiences, people, and places. I can't wait for you to see what I have planned for the ride. Subscribe and follow along. After all, to live would be an awfully big adventure. Oh, hi, fishies. It's very early. The roosters are cawing, whatever it is that the roosters do, at the appropriate time this morning. Typically, they just do that all day, though. It's another adventure day. We are going to hike the volcano. It is called Soufriere. Naturally, it's French. I'm not sure if they call it Mount Soufriere or... Anyways, it's a volcano. It's supposed to be fantastic, gorgeous, excited, hard. It's supposed to be hard. Prepare for hard. So yeah. Adventure day. We made the 1.5-hour-ish drive across the island of St. Vincent to visit their volcano, La Soufriere. The volcano is the highest point on the island and has 5 known eruptions to date, beginning in 1718. Another reminder that this was filmed in October of 2020, so at that time, the volcano had been dormant for over 30 years. 3 months after filming, in December of 2020, Soufriere erupted and formed a new lava dome over the existing that you'll see in just a bit via our drone footage. Did you find that?
Oh, Glenn brought them out.
There's a tree right down there.
Oh, got him from a tree. That's good. I like guava. And a nice little bit of sugar. I don't want to like scare them off. We're like lizard heavy right here.
Big eyes.
Be a good human. Okay. Oh, wow.
Holy.
Wow.
I think that's the biggest stick man I've ever seen.
Whoa.
I think it's the biggest stick man I've ever seen.
Dang. Looks like out of dress.
So this does have some water running down it.
But when it's pouring,
The trailhead to the summit is about 2.5 miles, but it's mostly stair steps up and is quite the climb. We explored this waterfall spot that's about halfway up the trail for a cool down and a change of scenery.
That's cool. Oh, look, there's one more down there.
Yeah. You've got...
You could spend a day just here with this.
See that little turnaround in it? The whole thing.
Oh, that's sweat. It's a natural groove all the way down.
Yeah.
Been doing this for millennia.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So move out of clouds.
Move a little faster, bro. What do you think? There's. I made it to the top of the rainforest.
You made it to. Oh, maybe. I don't fall. Out. We can see the tops of trees. Right about here, we hit the 2/3 mark on the trail, and it became significantly harder. Basically, there wasn't a trail anymore. We would have taken so much longer to get to the top had we not had our amazing tour guide Glenn with us, who showed us his favorite route. Fog moving across. The clouds are not quite. Okay, in the words of Glenn, we're almost there.
Overshot it just a little bit.
That was so much better than undershooting it.
Yeah.
Yep. We're so close to being at the top. Looky here. All the reviews said this was hard. That's an accurate description in my book. Doable, but hard. It. Oh, wow. Oh. Holy crap. Flight queuing up. Got some clouds rolling in. Over here, and it's so pretty. It's a very long ways down. I'm a little afraid. It's a long ways down. Back down. I'm just eating my granola bar. Middle of the rainforest. Hiking down from a volcano. Like, what is my life? It's amazing. Although this is very precarious. I only should wait until the end of the day. Watch out, Padre. Ooh!
Okay, your turn.
I can't hang on as good as you can. This is gonna go way worse for me than it. Like, my hands don't even fit. Do I have to have all of
use
them?
Use less of them.
Go away. I feel like I'm an alien right now. I have no upper body strength. Okay.
Hold on, let me get the other side.
Watch out. I'm like afraid I'm gonna hit you. That was tragic. Okay, I'm done. That was it. I had my George jungle Tarzan moment. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Those vines are strong though. Yeah.
We hiked back down 2.5 miles and drove the hour and a half back across the island to our marina. But don't worry, we made it back in time for sunset and our nightly conch shell serenade. If you enjoyed this episode, you can check out more at ashtononadventure.com or hit subscribe up at the top and follow along in the next adventure.